Wally!
Hey, how's it going? Can't wait for our show. It's been a bit since we've had kind of a large gathering like this. This is our first time at Cars and Coffee Southlake, so trying out the GoPro on the back with Wally. Move it over a little. I'm sure it'll be a little wobbly, but yeah, no, can't wait though. Thanks so much for watching our channel. This is how Wally likes his Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. We go to car shows.
We're about to walk into Varispace.
Gotta have the water ready for Wally, because obviously, you know, the Texas heat is pretty brutal this time of year, but fortunately these car shows are in the morning, so he
Gotta
can
stay
survive.
hydrated.
Oh, you got buses? Okay, left. Hashtag left.
What you want to check out first, Brian? Everything.
Wally, over here. He's on a mission. Oh yeah.
Hi! Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Oh, my. Very friendly.
Oh yeah, he hasn't been.
Thank you.
Yeah, how they guys?
There you go, Brian. Get the shot. How are you feeling? Quarter of the way through the show.
Hot every time.
We can see the sweat in your shirt.
Yeah. I'll be drenched at the end of this.
We'll have a wardrobe change at the end.
I mean, it's worth it when you get to see what we come up with.
Yeah.
You know, we're fortunate that we get to bring Wally, and my buddy Travis is here.
Hi, Travis.
It's just there's nothing. What else would you want to do on your Saturday morning, like other than be hungover and not do fun stuff like this? So.
You making
Well,
friends?
I have some and say hey. Oh, and this is typical Wally. Oh, want to go run? Wally. 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 We had to switch shirts because the first one is
Got so
finished through.
shirt number 2 of the day. Hey, buddy. Excuse me. Wally getting all sorts of love.
It's a struggle, like, right, well, this, you want to know what the car show's like? This is what it's like. So we're finishing up here. Can't thank Cars and Coffee Southlake for putting on this event, and Varispace for allowing us to come and, you know, shoot these cars that we love on a Saturday. Really you know, awesome opportunity and can't thank them enough. So just can't wait to keep showing you what we got, and thank you so much for tuning in. We give the people what they want. Yeah.
Wally obviously gets the front seat. We had a great time today at Cars and Coffee Southlake.
Oh yeah.
Got
Couldn't have
anything
a
to say,
better
Wally?
time. Wally's dying per usual.
All right, bye, Wally.